Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. We're here on deck 15. This is the jogging track. We're going to walk around the ship, show you the upper levels. Check this out. We're on the port side of the ship. This is outside of the Seaplex. I'll show you that in just a moment. But this is a really nice place to hang out. How about a nice game of chess? And up ahead is the Skypad. Skypad is like bungee virtual reality trampolines. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, let's go up here and I'll show you something else. This is all the wild stuff up here. This is the fun stuff. This is why you're on Royal Caribbean. This is it. Check this out. This is a Flowrider. It's a surf simulator. And further up, it's the iFly. It's a skydiving simulator there. And inside this sphere, those bungee trampolines. You can strap on virtual reality headsets and have a ton of fun in there. But the outside is also a lot of fun. Not only do you get spectacular views like this here over the jogging track on deck 15, you can see the Northstar. It's up there right now. But check this out. Oh yeah. Look at this. We are actually over the side of the ship, over the ocean. That is pretty wild. And it's not for the faint of heart. Yeah. All right. And here we are at the back of the ship. Today we're in port, Labadee, Haiti. Yeah, beautiful day, but it is hot, hot, hot. But come on, that's what you expect in the Caribbean. Yeah. All right, let's go over here and check out the island. Over on the starboard side of the ship, you can see what the Royal Caribbean is built up called Labadee. Over here is like the actual, I guess, the native side of Labadee. But around this way, you'll get to see Labadee that's been built up by Royal Caribbean. Oh yeah, beaches, all kinds of fun watercraft stuff. Yeah, that's the fun stuff. All right, we've got a decoration on the starboard side of the ship, like on all Quantum class ships. I know Odyssey is a Quantum Ultra, which is a little bit bigger than a regular Quantum class. But over here, we've got this cat going after like the Christmas decorations. Oh yeah, oh Christmas tree, your ornaments are history. And this cat is going for him. Yep, he's gonna undecorate the tree. Cats. And here we are on the other side of the Seaplex. Got a game of this like kickball pool. So you're gonna play billiards with your feet. Alright, let's check out the Seaplex. Let's go inside. Alright. It's like an airlock or something. Alright. And this is inside the Seaplex. Got a lot of sports games going on here right now. They also do bumper cars. Yes, really, bumper cars on a cruise ship. Pretty wild. And up ahead, this is Zone Zero. Zone Zero is like a virtual reality thing. It does cost a little extra, but let me tell you, Zone Zero is wild. This is really cool. If you get a chance to go on a Quantum Ultra ship, you gotta check this out. Alright, let's head upstairs. Alright, stairs, more stairs. Alright. Here's a good view of the Seaplex. As you can see across the way is Playmakers. Playmakers like a sports bar. Get all kind of your favorite like bar foods, watch the game, or watch like several games even at once. Instead of having like a localized arcade here on the Odyssey, they have games kind of spread out all over the Seaplex. It's kind of nice because it spreads things out. You're not so cramped. Got these like cool, like almost virtual reality. Yeah, you stand in front of the screens and interact. Pretty wild tech they have. More games. All kinds of fun stuff. Alright, what do we got up here? Looks like all kind of games of like soccer, or what the rest of the world calls football, which actually makes a lot more sense because you play it with your foot. American football, it's kind of a strange name for it. They of course have billiard tables and a bar, and this here is like this for your VIPs. Here's your box seats right here. Big seats, and of course, big TV, so you can watch the game in comfort. Alright, over here, of course, exit, got a bar, beautiful views. When you're up here on deck 15, get spectacular views of what you really came to see. Yeah, the sea. Got all kinds of cool table games, more billiards, and of course, you can't have a pub without darts, and lots and lots and lots of screens. Many screens to watch your favorite sports team. Alright, let's head back outside. Alright, first, you gotta get down the stairs. More stairs, more stairs. Feel like the Hulk in those Avenger movies. More stairs. Why don't we have hover technology yet? Would that be cool? It's gonna float down the stairs. That'd be so much easier. Yes, we have elevators or lifts, but hovering would be so much cooler. Alright, here we are in the rear of the aft elevator bank. We're here on the port side of the ship. We're gonna head forward here. We're gonna go over to the starboard side. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, back outside the heat. Got great views of the Lido deck, the pool deck. It's off the left side of the screen. Check this out here. They got the lime and coconut theme here on the Odyssey of the Seas. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a better look. Over here we got the kids section, Splashaway Bay. The lime and coconut themed Lido deck. Here's the main pool. Of course a bar. And a Northstar. 300 feet above sea level for some spectacular views. It's actually in the Guinness Book of World Records. Here's one of these really cool hot tubs. Hot tub has like a clear acrylic panel, so I guess people can see your feet. There's more of a Labadee. While we're here, might as well check out the sweet sun deck. Right. Sweet sun deck is a nice little private area for, of course, suites. And, of course, pinnacles. Pinnacles are allowed here on the suite sun deck. It is a small area, but it is very nice to have your own place to lounge around without the crowds, without fighting for space, fighting for chairs. I mean, look at this. Every single chair is available. Every single one. Great views of the movie screen in case you want to take in a movie. Look at this. And here's the second pool. It's not an indoor pool like on most Quantum class ships, but there's a second pool. Another hot tub over here. Yeah. Pretty nice area. And here's me, in case you forgot what I look like. Alright, let's get out of here. Get back out to the rest of the ship. Alright. Alright. We're walking down the port side of the ship now. See the other side. We'll take another quick look at the main pool. There it is. Main pool, hot tub, Splashaway Bay. Up there is actually the teen center. The teens actually have their own balcony there. It's a really nice view of the ship. It used to be like the suite sun deck, but now I guess we get outranked by teens. And here we are back again where we started. And of course, this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Hopefully you have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.